Deviled eggs are a timeless appetizer that never fails to impress. Whether it's a festive gathering, a family picnic, or a sophisticated cocktail party, these little delights can steal the show with their creamy, tangy filling and versatile flavor profiles. Here, we present a collection of the best homemade deviled egg recipes that are not only easy and classic, but also undeniably delicious. From the traditional version to some innovative twists, get ready to elevate your appetizer game. Classic deviled eggs. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 2 teaspoons Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, salt and pepper to taste, paprika, fresh parsley. Instructions: 1. Hard-boil the eggs. Place eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and cover with enough water that there's about 1 inch of water above the eggs. Bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Once boiling, cover and remove from heat. Let stand for 12 minutes. Then, transfer eggs to an ice water bath to cool. 2. Peel and prepare the eggs. Once cooled, peel the eggs and cut them in half lengthwise. Gently remove the yolks and place them in a mixing bowl. 3. Make the filling. Mash the yolks with a fork and add mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, white vinegar, salt, and pepper. Mix until smooth and creamy. 4. Fill the egg whites. Spoon or pipe the yolk mixture back into the egg white halves. Sprinkle with paprika and garnish with parsley if desired. 5. Chill and serve. Refrigerate the deviled eggs for at least an hour before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Enjoying the video? Leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out. Avocado deviled eggs. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, 1 ripe avocado, 1 tablespoon lime juice, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste, chili flakes. Instructions: follow the instructions for hard boiling and preparing the eggs as in the classic deviled eggs recipe. For the filling, blend the egg yolks with the avocado, lime juice, mayonnaise, and Dijon mustard until smooth. Season with salt and pepper, then pipe back into the egg whites. Garnish with chili flakes for a spicy kick. Bacon and cheddar deviled eggs. Ingredients: 12 large eggs, 1/3 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup finely shredded cheddar cheese, 3 slices of bacon, cooked and crumbled, 1 tablespoon chives, finely chopped, salt and pepper to taste, paprika for garnish. Instructions: after preparing the eggs as outlined in the classic deviled eggs recipe, mix the yolks with mayonnaise, cheddar cheese, bacon, and chives. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Fill the egg whites with this mixture and sprinkle with paprika for a traditional touch. Tips for perfect deviled eggs: ensuring easy peeling. Older eggs peel more easily than fresh ones. Plan ahead for the best results. Filling the eggs. A piping bag gives a professional look, but a zip-top bag with the corner snipped off works just as well. Making ahead, you can prepare deviled eggs up to 2 days in advance. Store the whites and the filling separately in the fridge and fill them before serving. Deviled eggs are a versatile and beloved dish that can be customized in countless ways. Whether you stick to the classic recipe or experiment with flavorful additions like avocado or bacon, these recipes are sure to become go-to favorites for any occasion. Enjoy the process of making them and the pleasure of sharing them with friends and family.